On Earth, there are three types of rock: sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. These are the types of rock that make up all the rocks on Earth and are formed and destroyed in what is called the rock cycle. To understand the rock cycle, we first need to understand the properties of these rock types and how they were made, so we can further understand how they can change into each other. The first rock I'm going to cover is sedimentary. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the deposition of small particles like sand and soil, which then fix together in what is called cementation in bodies of water on the Earth's surface. The collective name for this process is called sedimentation. Sedimentary rocks have distinct layers because that's where the colour of the particles change, but this could also be because it's a different particle. Sedimentary rocks only total to 8% of the Earth's crust. Some examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone, and flint. Fossils are more common in these rocks because sedimentary rocks are formed in a lower temperature and pressure, so the fossils don't crush. There is also a special type of sandstone called tufaceous sandstone, which has pieces of volcanic ash inside of the rock. The next rock I'm going to cover is metamorphic. These are rocks that have undergone change like weathering or erosion. These rocks are formed by pre-existing rocks that have gone through a process called metamorphism, where the rock is subject to extreme heat or pressure, causing physical and chemical change. The original rock could be any type of rock, and metamorphic rocks make up only 12% of the Earth's surface. As metamorphic rock has undergone extreme pressure and heat, fossils will rarely survive under these conditions. Some examples of metamorphic rock are gneiss, slate, and marble. There's also a special type of metamorphic rock called foliated metamorphic rock, which is metamorphic rock layered onto each other to form a sedimentary looking rock while staying metamorphic. The third and final rock type is igneous. These rocks are formed by magma or lava cooling in a process called solidification. Igneous rocks form near or inside the magma chambers of volcanoes. Igneous rock can either be formed inside or outside the volcano, making two forms of igneous rock: intrusive and extrusive. The differences of these rocks are that intrusive rocks form larger crystals because it takes longer for them to cool down. Some examples of igneous rock are granite, obsidian, and pumice. These three rocks make up the rock cycle and can change into each other. For example, sedimentary rock can undergo heat and pressure and turn into an igneous rock, which can undergo weathering and erosion and form a metamorphic rock. But the same rock type can even change into a different version of itself. For example, metamorphic rock can change further into a different version of the same rock. Sedimentary rock can undergo weathering or erosion, causing the particles of that rock to be lost, and they can be transported to somewhere different and form a new sedimentary rock. And igneous rock can melt and reform into a new igneous rock.